Hi, my name is Jason Schultz and I'm the Operations Manager here at Opus Campers. The OP4 is a 4-sleeper. Obviously it fits a larger family. We have the OP2, which is a 2-sleeper. We also have an OP Lite. That is our newest model that we have currently and can be towed by most vehicles. That is a 2-sleeper as well. We have a 5-year structural warranty, a 5-year suspension warranty, and a 3-year parts and accessories warranty. Once a warranty comes in, we action that within 24 hours and make sure we can get everyone back on the road, back out to the campsite as quickly as possible. The air annex, self-inflating, touch of a button, inflates within 3 minutes, gets you out there quicker and obviously get you back home quicker as well. The chassis and the suspension is designed by Australians for Australian conditions. Full independent suspension with off-road tyres, off-road springs. Springs and the shocks are all rated to the camper weight, so it rides perfectly. It's got all the safety features, electric brakes, everything that you need to keep yourself safe when you're on your way to your campsite. Perfect weight for most vehicles to be towing. We obviously design and innovate things in-house, and then you see the benefits on the campers themselves. Here at Opus, we make sure that everything meets the Australian quality standards, the ADR standards. We use a process called a flow line. We break down sections of the work into roughly 2.5-hour periods. We have 5 stations, 2 guys per station. Every single station, the quality is of the highest level. Each station has their own checklists and quality reports. As every 2.5 hours, the camper moves along, but before it does that, it's scrutinised by our supervisor and our quality team. They'll have roughly 10 to 15 points per station they tick off on. That can be for anything from quality, paintwork, all the way down to a torqued bolt, making sure that things are torqued to the right specifications. When it moves to its final station, we have a final quality checklist that we go through to make sure that the camper is set up and ready to rock and roll for the customer. 3 campers leave every single day. We're constantly changing and innovating and improving our product. We do a full handover with the customers, see their new camper, see how it works. We go through the ins and outs, what to do and then what not to do. We show all the features. We touch base on everything you need to get yourself out ready to go camping.